Grow plants twice as big with Miracle-Gro all-purpose water-soluble plant food, the easiest way to grow bigger, more beautiful plants. This all-purpose plant food starts feeding instantly and is ideal for all plants, indoor and outdoor, and in all soil types. To use with a watering can, mix 1 tablespoon of plant food for every gallon of water. For larger gardens, use the Miracle-Gro Garden Feeder. With trigger lock for one-handed feeding and 3 spray patterns, beautifying your landscape has never been easier. For indoor plants, mix half a teaspoon per gallon of water. And for spectacular results, feed every 7 to 14 days. Miracle-Gro water-soluble all-purpose plant food instantly feeds to grow bigger, more beautiful plants.
Simple Lawn Solutions just made fertilizing your lawn a whole lot easier. With Simple Lawn Solutions Lawn Food, you can help improve your lawn's growth, root development, health, strength, and most importantly, make it greener. And with the easy-to-use sprayer built right into the bottle, you can even have fun doing it.
If you want a professional golf course quality lawn, then use a professional fertilizer. The new PGF Complete fertilizer. PGF Complete can be used on all types of lawns and is the very first to combine these ratios, nutrients, lawn products into one simple to apply granular fertilizer. PGF Complete has been specially lab formulated and field tested for amazing results. What makes it a professional grade fertilizer? The tiny particle size gives you 4 times the particles per square foot compared to most cheap mass-produced fertilizers. Several varying sources of high-quality, slow-release nitrogens are used. This gives you a slow, even release for food for your lawn. The 16:4:8 ratio of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium is the best all-around maintenance ratio for lawns year-round. It contains micronutrients including copper, manganese, sulfur, and zinc. It contains 3% iron, which helps deliver that fast, deep, dark green color. It has the highest quality humic acid in the form of humic DG particles to help improve your soil's health. Combine all this into one easy-to-apply lawn fertilizer and you'll understand the name, Professional Grade Fertilizer, PGF.
Hi there, I'm Mike from Greenview Fertilizers. Did you know that spring and fall are the best times to seed a new lawn? Greenview with GreenSmart Starter Fertilizer is specially formulated to encourage root growth in newly seeded lawns or bare spots. Its combination of traditional fertilizer and slow-release components specifically balanced for new growth will keep your lawn fed for up to 8 weeks. When you use Greenview with GreenSmart Starter Fertilizer, you are promoting improved nutrient absorption for a deeper, stronger root system, resulting in a thicker, more luxurious lawn that will hold moisture better with less watering. It's intended for one-time use at planting time, and the 10-18-10 ratio of nutrients and phosphorus content is perfectly balanced to establish your new lawn and keep it fed during the early stages while it develops and takes hold. Apply Greenview with GreenSmart Starter Fertilizer to topsoil as a last step before seeding. Follow the package instructions for the correct spreader settings to apply the right amount to the newly seeded areas. Use a rake to lightly work the fertilizer into the top 2 to 3 inches of soil. Sow your grass seed according to package instructions. A word of caution, if you're planning a spring planting of grass seed, Be sure not to apply weed control products to the grass until the grass seed has germinated and you have mowed the grass at least 3 times. For a fall planting of grass seed, follow the same procedure, but be sure to plant early enough to allow the grass seed to fully germinate before freezing temperatures arrive in your region. Once your new lawn is established, follow up with other Greenview fertilizer products as needed to help build a vigorous lawn. Thanks for watching. You can find more helpful information about planting grass seed and other lawn care tips, videos, and product information at greenviewfertilizer.com.
Oh no! Your lawn is a nightmare with pet spots and dead spots everywhere. Laying sod is a backbreaking chore and spreading seed is a pain. Birds eat the seed and it's washed away by rain. Not anymore! Now there's GrowTrax, the amazing professional-grade grass-growing technology you simply roll, water, and watch it grow. For a great-looking lawn you're going to love. Look closer. GrowTrax merges seed science with high-tech turf technology, embedding thousands of seeds into a biodegradable, high-absorption compost fabric that retains water, so seeds stay moist and secure while keeping birds at bay and heavy rain washouts away. This is the same revolutionary roll-out fast-growth formula used by elite golf courses and resorts, and now it's finally available in a residential roll for your lawn. Just roll, water, and watch it grow, and you'll see why GrowTrax received the prestigious Best New Product Award. GrowTrax absorbs and holds up to 6 times its own weight, so you water less and grow more. Under ideal growing conditions, GrowTrax can simply grow past other grass seeds. Get rid of pet spots like magic. Erase worn footpaths. Grow grass in the shade and under trees with ease. And using GrowTrax on hills and slopes is a breeze. Watch as we place GrowTrax directly on concrete without a speck of soil, and in days it grows like crazy. It's like grass seed on steroids. It's award-winning and American-made to grow anywhere in the direct sun or shade. Get your green lawn back with GrowTrax.
Have you been disappointed with your lawn, even though you spread fertilizer year after year? If so, then you're not alone. That's because most people are unaware that feeding the lawn is only one of 2 key factors in getting beautiful results. The second is so obvious, but gets overlooked because it's out of sight, out of mind. The soil. Jonathan Green's new American Lawn Plan, unlike traditional fertilizers on the market, feeds both the lawn and the soil. Your soil is filled with nutrients, but many of these nutrients are never absorbed by the grass because your soil biology and chemistry hasn't been activated. This includes nutrients from your lawn fertilizer too. Jonathan Green's new American Lawn Plan corrects the problem with 2 organic soil reviving fertilizers: Love Your Soil and Magical. Spreading Jonathan Green's Love Your Soil feeds your soil biology, activating its microscopic ecosystem. This activated microbial activity breaks down trapped nutrients, so they're completely absorbed by the grass roots. Love Your Soil also creates natural gaps in your soil, allowing air and water to penetrate deeper so roots can grow further. Applying Jonathan Green's Magical feeds your soil chemistry, making it properly balanced. A well-balanced soil enables grass roots to absorb much more lawn fertilizer. This higher absorption rate makes your fertilizer more effective and reduces the risk of waste and runoff while helping keep your lawn and our environment green. Love Your Soil and Magical are fully compatible with any lawn fertilizer or annual lawn program. We recommend using them with the wide range of Jonathan Green fertilizers designed to feed your lawn with superior results. Feed your lawn and your soil with Jonathan Green's new American Lawn Plan. And finally, get a beautiful lawn you can feel good about.